After it started dominating our daily life, mobile phones have started to dominate across many industries too. It is evident when we see that the mobile phones give quick access among people and provides crucial data to each person. At the same time, the automotive industry has grown leaps and bounds. From the times when only the bourgeoisie used to be able to afford cars, our society has grown to a level where people from the proletariat class can also afford cars now. The demand for automobiles has increased radically. In order to meet the growing demands, production has been increased. When working for a production company, an employee needs up-to-the-minute updates from the technical team. Just like how we update our daily life on Instagram. Combining the usage of the smartphones into the automotive production sector would prove crucial. In order to do so, ERP solutions is a must-have. ERP provides a secure platform to communicate even sensitive data. This will boost the speed of the production of automotive parts. The other concern for a manufacturer would be inventory management. Managing the large mass of inventory manually is a tedious task. Without proper ERP software, you can forget about efficiency. And here is why you need to choose Roadmap ERP. Roadmap ERP offers optimized software for each company to deal with the inventory. Having your inventory history and metrics easily available eases planning. Our software also helps to calculate the upcoming demand and prepare you in terms of stock availability. Roadmap ERP offers the best ROI, return of investment. We have a huge resource of talented employees who are eager to grab an opportunity to improve your company and have a long-standing business partnership with you.